All right. Welcome to another edition of Sabbath Lounge. This is Matt.
And Jake here.
And we're doing a quick flyover of the Torah portion.
This is Vayishlach, and he sent. This is week 8. Genesis 32:3 through 36:43.
And so we're going to go quickly here, and we see what happens to the father, happens to the children.
Right, there's a pattern from Abraham on to his grandsons.
Jacob can be compared to Yeshua. Both were alone in the garden, distress, facing an enemy, certain death, wrestling with God, and there's even a kiss.
That's right.
And then there's some scriptures.
So Matthew 26 talks about Yeshua in the garden. And then there's a wrestling that occurs. Jacob becomes Israel in this portion. We discuss why the wrestling and with whom he may be wrestling.
Right.
And then there's
We've got two
nations, right?
And Jacob divides his camp into these two things, like the divided kingdom.
Right, I like that tie-in.
Dana gets unfortunately raped. Got this crazy story.
Right, and we discuss, is that a rape situation or is it another situation that's going on?
And the brothers definitely do some bad things here. I'm going to have to listen to find out more. Read, or even better, read the portion.
Read the portion, right?
So could Dana be the church, the bride, the harlot, end times judgment, having to be rescued?
Right, and we see the oppressors of the bride judged, and she is rescued.
And so Jacob takes this vow, and this happens in Shechem, which we've discussed. What do we do that on? Blessings and curses.
Blessings and curses, right? Ebal and Gerizim.
Yep. And so this is the vicinity where this most likely happens. So this covenant's confirmed. Benjamin born. And so that is
Vayishlach.
In less than 3 minutes. Just as 32:3 through 36:43. And Sabbath Lounge, appreciate you stopping by. And we're just trying to make these Torah portions kind of quick flyovers. We want you to go look into more detail. And we appreciate you stopping by. This is Matt
and Jake
signing off.